Hello everyone, and welcome to another live market analysis here at MarketMinds Mastery. For those who join us for first time, my name is Theo, and I hope you're having a great day wherever you are in the world. So, already some comments they came in. Joe said, happy to be here, sir. Bobby said, good day to you, sir. Good day, everybody. Elizabeth said, I had a massive run on the USD JPY yesterday. Awesome, fantastic. Daisy said, it's a great day, sir. I'm happy to see you this morning. Likewise. Charlotte, how are you doing? I'm doing very well. Nick, good morning. And always thanks for joining us. So guys, Tracy said, you are giving the best analysis here, boss. Appreciate it, guys. Really appreciate it. So I think we are good to start. Let's start with the dollar index. So here it's the analysis. Maybe a drawing tool will be good at this point. So the last point of impulse move to the downside was from this number 2 until this place here. Then the market made a higher high. At this point it broke an important trend line, so we were expecting for a trend reversal. The price, it moved backwards and it failed to create it registered this swing high, okay. So, and then it registers this swing low here. So we had this high at 1, we had the low at 3, and the expectancy is to see a new high that is higher than the previous high. But actually the market didn't do that. Instead, it moved lower and it moved below the low at 3. So it invalidates this possibility of market to move in an uptrend. I hope you guys understand this. So right now the market is sitting at this low here. If you use any indicator like MACD or RSI, you will be able to spot that price makes positive divergence, B class, price makes a double bottom here, and the indicator prints a bullish divergence. So maybe the price will move higher up this point, but again, we don't know for sure what's going to happen. We wait for the market to show us what can happen. Okay. So as for today, we will be looking. Actually, yesterday after the interest rates report by the Fed and the FOMC minutes 30 minutes afterwards, the market just moved all the way down here. Gap this morning, leave the traders with the retail traders with the question marks. What do you mean, Olga? Why it gapped here or why it moved that way? If your question is why it moved that way, it's because the market can do anything at any time and it doesn't need any excuse or any reason why it did that instead of this and that. Okay, simple as that. What we can do about this is to learn how to read the market. Okay, to mark the areas of high and low, to understand the difference between the high, the broken high at 2 with the new high at 1, when you see it as a validation to initiate more positions, or when to see it as a failure. All right, and this is important, and all this stuff, guys, I'm writing an ebook. It will be a part of my course as well, but for now it's an ebook. Here it is. I'm writing to explain all this stuff, what to do, how to do it, and so on and so forth. So I'll try to finish it within the next 3-4 days maybe, and then I will put it out there so you can purchase it. It's going to be just a very small symbolic fee for the knowledge, and I'm sure everyone understands it and everyone accept it with a nice way. Yeah. So let's continue. Australian. So as the dollar index is pretty much moved lower, expectancy is for the Australian dollar, let's say, to move higher. Now, it was a little bit of doubt among traders in this point here, and it's something that I would like. Evangeline, it won't be expensive at all. Of course not. No. I will post it. So that's the thing. I don't know if my website is ready yet, so I can post it there and send you the links, or here on the trading.live I will post it, and I will make it available if you also send me an email, and we will sort it out. By the way, I received a few emails in the last 2 days from some people of you guys here asking different questions. Really appreciate it. I will come back to you as soon as possible, okay, with the answers. So Australian dollar, US dollar price moved in these higher highs and higher lows. At some point it moved lower, it created this swing low, and then it created this swing high. So we have a swing low, swing high. If you are confused on what I'm talking here now, it's actually how the market moves, and that's the purpose. That's exactly what it's going to be the ebook about, how to read the market. Guys, trust me, I see many traders, they trade for years and they just do this. Okay, here it's a move. So that's not a move. That's not how the market moved. The market moved this way. The market moved like that. It didn't move like this. So you may wonder now which one is this and which one is that. Okay, let's change the color. So some traders, they think that the market moved like this. In reality, this market moved like that. That's how the market moved, because if you understand, guys, how to read the market while it's moving, you will be able most of the times, actually 90% of the times, to be right when you're picking up your direction. And trust me, when you are right picking up the direction and you trade price action on the higher time frames, you will make your trading life much more simple and stress-free. Now, for trader, and here it's the thing, and it's something you have to accept in trading. By the way, do you mind that I also give you some educational content here and not only market analysis? Is that okay with you guys? Do you find this interesting and informative, or you don't like to hear any any market insights, any kind of education? Yeah, okay, all good. So if you learn how to read the market while it's developing, most of the times you will be able to pick up the direction right. And when you pick up the direction right, you know how and what trading plan to apply on each market condition. At this point here, and that's the reality, after this point here, I was looking to short the market because the market direction changed, the market bias changed. From uptrend, it starts showing signs of a downtrend. It's not a downtrend yet, that's why I didn't sell. But also it broke the structure of higher highs and higher lows. So some traders, they might thinking, okay, but that was a strong support here. Let's clean the drawing. That was a strong support here, very strong support, and a bullish engulfing printed at support, and then another bullish engulfing printed at support yesterday. Yeah, it's easy to explain what happened after it happened. You need to be able to determine, while the market is doing what it's doing, what is about to happen based on the market information that is available to you as trader. Now, at this point here, the market information available, let's forget all this stuff, okay? Let's forget all this stuff here. Sorry, not all of this. Some people, they might thinking that I'm playing with a drawing tool, and yeah, maybe that's what I'm doing now. Oh, guys, that was a joke. So at this point here, the market made a low that is lower at one, that is lower than the two. But the high here, the higher high, it was obvious that we were looking for longs. But this swing here created equally as any other swing in the market. So why not to pay attention to a swing that it's also equal swing with anything else? At this swing here, actually, at swing 2, we expect the market to move higher, and this one here not to take over and move the price lower. We expect the market to move really higher than that one. But the market moved lower, so we stopped looking for buying opportunities based on the market structure. And then this swing, after this candle here, this swing developed. Now, this is a swing that the one is lower than the two, and then we don't have actually any other swing. No, sorry, we have this swing here. Yesterday this swing developed. So until yesterday, All the bias was to sell the market. Now, the reason we didn't sell it is because we didn't have the plan, the checklist we use in play, how to do it and exactly when to do it. All right, so that was the thing about that. Today the market gave new information. It's like it makes a higher high than the 3, so all these lows cancel. The relevant low now, it will become the low below here, and yeah, we will take this the swing high. This 3, it's not the high anymore, so we're going to change the structure. Now we don't try to rush and put trades on just for the sake to place a trade, guys. We always need to apply a strategy. We need to apply a plan, not to react on every market move up there. Okay, we don't want to, you don't want to be the trader that reacts on the prices. You want to act on the price, not to react. Okay, next one, euro US dollar. Again, I see traders, they do this. Okay, here it's a support, I'm looking to buy there. Okay, that's fine. I mean, it is fine if that's how you think the market operates. That's okay. Now let's say that you didn't see this move. Would you have buy the market here? Now it's easy for everyone to say, you know, yeah, this is a support and I will have bought there. It's easy to say that because you already know what happened, and by keep adapting this mentality in trading, really you don't go anywhere, because sometimes, not sometimes, many times the market won't do as you think, but it's gonna do as it shows. Like this, the market clearly make a high here, a low, broke its structure, so we have a new lower low here. We wait for a new lower high. I'm not saying we are selling here. In every trend we need 4 points, so either we need a reversal price swing high here, so we can draw a trend line and we can say, okay, you know, we can take an aggressive trade there, or the easiest way to trade the trends is you wait for, as you recognize a new market structure, you wait for a clear lower low, lower high to take a trade. Okay, that's what it is. Now this market, it's still under this lower low formation. Now here it's a resistance. Let's see what's going to happen. Maybe the market will stop and reverse from this point. Nobody knows. This is the area of 61.8% and 50% Fibonacci. Yes, Leslie, that's true. Hindsight bias is very bad habit for traders. Ellie said, so now it's coming back to test its broken point. Yep. Leslie said, learning a lot from this live webinar. Terry, yeah, it is a point we could see some change in direction. Williamson, yeah, that is a very critical area on the Fibonacci. Jacob, yeah, reacting will cost us some more. Yeah, absolutely. Next one, Great British Pound. So price is price hasn't developed yet as a downtrend. Few trades, low trades, I used to hold yesterday. Now I'm not in any one of these trades. The one I got out with a loss yesterday, but the other one I got out with a loss around half of the trade, but the other one, because I closed it somewhere there, but the other one I took around one-on-one reward to risk just before the news event, so which it was good. Now what I'm waiting in this one here is to see if the price is gonna move higher to come all the way there, or if it's gonna create this move to the downside, or if it's gonna push higher. It's gonna take a while, to be honest. It's not gonna come overnight. New Zealand, US dollar, same with this one. The price made this high point here at 3, then it had the low at 2. Price changes structure. If you have a look at the line charts, market move impulsively like this, then we could draw trend line here. Let's use up this color. So price tried to make lower highs and lower lows, and actually that was the point we were looking to trade short, but up on a different price action. Now price changed its bias from that minor downtrend to the beginning of the to this uptrend, let's say, and it's something, yeah, we'll mention on the book how some swings are not very visible on the chart, and they are not clear, actually, not visible, they are not clear, and yeah, it's sometimes it requires from the trader to be a little bit more careful before taking some trades, because anyway, I'm not going to spend more time on this webinar to go through this stuff now, because I will include it on the course. Next one, USD Canadian dollar. Price didn't really come inside this box. That was the area I expect the price to move, to be honest, but it didn't come here. Anyway, it sold off. Price still, actually, if I had a price action rejecting somehow this trend line, I would have taken the trade short, but price action wasn't there, and not exactly at the area I expected the price to come, so I didn't take any trades, which is fine. I mean, I'm fine with that. So at the least we want to see the price action. If it's not going to be exactly at a resistance, we want to see a reversal price action. Good reversal price action, or ideal price action reversal, it's something like this, shooting star. This one here, it's a well-defined, or bearish engulfing. None of these price actions appear here, so yeah, I didn't take any trade. Test, I'm waiting for the reversal price action. Palmer, yes, it did not meet any of the requirements. USD Swiss franc. So what's going on with the USD and the Swissy price now is bottoming. If it will stay above here, maybe a move to the upside will occur, but everything is bearish here, guys. And of course the downtrend we spot last week, and we spot actually from last Thursday. The entry point was here as we marked, but at this point here, no price action. I was monitoring the chart. For me, this price action is not something that I usually take in consideration, so I didn't take the trade. US pound JPY, another one great. It was here. See guys, if we use the FIB tool from the high to the low, here was the 50, here was the 61.8, but there is a strong inside resistance at this point, and the market didn't come all the way to that resistance. Sorry, the FIB is from there. That's the recent swing, not the other one. So here it was. That's why we mark this yellow line on the chart, because we have the 61.8 FIB level there, and price managed to come all the way here and start selling off, continue selling off from that point. A good trade yesterday for those that trade bearish engulfing candles, found it on the euro and the Swiss franc against the Japanese yen. It was within a downtrend, inside candle here, and bearish engulfing formation. We could have taken the development of this bearish engulfing in both cases. This one here as well. The target would have been about one-on-one, or until the price will retest any one of these two lows. Same, any one of these two lows here. We don't want to be very aggressive. Australian dollar and the New Zealand dollar, both quite strong to be honest, but okay, look, the New Zealand dollar gave its New Zealand dollar tested the not this one here, but tested a low at this point. So it was, yeah, it's okay to see buying pressure after that, because it sold off. It was already one day ahead from the other currencies, and it was selling faster. It was selling off faster. Same with the Australian dollar. Canadian dollar, it touched this support today. Euro Australian dollar, very interesting scenario here. You guys see we had on our chart where is the high and which one was the low. So high here, low there. We expected for a price to stop and reverse at this downward trend line, and the price did that with the yesterday's bearish engulfing candle, but there is multiple supports here. There are multiple support. So I don't know if the price will stop and reverse, or we break and continue. Who knows? But for sure, if the price will breaks below this one here, then the final target becomes this S2 support down at the 1.5848.3. Maybe we're going to find some opportunities to take this one short. We will keep an eye on that, and that's going to happen next week. Euro CAD, nothing here. Euro New Zealand at the support price is trying either to bounce upwards or to break. Let's leave the market to show us what's going to happen. Pound sterling weak and nicely breaks below this this support here. If we're going to close for 2 days in a row, we will use this as a resistance, and the next support is down here, so that's going to be our support. So on the pound, a new trend looks like is developing on the daily chart, and that's what it's gonna keep us busy in the next few weeks. Pound cat, the only trade I had, it was this losing trade here, so I'm not in any trade. I'm not in any other trade anymore from now, so I'm waiting patiently. Pound New Zealand, price very choppy here, not swing highs, swing lows, nothing to take trades. Now it's at this support. We expect to see if the market will move all the way here. If it breaks below the support, this one will be the new support we will be looking for. Here now we don't do anything until this point. I was looking to sell because of the swing analysis, it's more sell opportunity, but the length of this bearish engulfing yesterday, it was insanely too big, 190 pips with an average true range 150 pips. So and the price couldn't even make it to the support prior giving one-on-one, so didn't take any trade. Gold printed this bullish engulfing here, so let's see what's going to happen afterwards. WTI, it retests those levels here. Let's see if it's going to continue lowering. German 40, bullish engulfing yesterday, so today it's bullish bias for those they are looking to trade the German 40, so you can keep an eye on that as well. Guys, I think that's all from me today. I think again we covered a lot of currency pairs and commodities and everything, so I would like to wish you everyone to have a fantastic day ahead, and happy trading, of course, and I'll be looking forward to see you tomorrow at the same time. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.